You guys remember Quadriga CX, that one Canadian exchange that went down in 2019 in the other bear market? Turns out there's a big centralized exchange that goes down every bear market. There was BitMEX, there was Mt. Gox, there was Quadriga CX, there was FTX. Who's going to be next? Can't wait to see another centralized exchange fail and prove how centralization is and always will be a failure. And the reason for decentralization will always prevail. So, Jerry Cotton, I don't know his nickname. He had a case of IBS, irritable bowel syndrome. He traveled to India and died from a heart attack. Did he have spicy food? Was it a mysterious death? Did he travel to a city that is notorious for issuing fake death certificates? That is all the information that is provided in the Netflix movie talking about Quadriga CX. Super interesting if you want to learn more about it. But what we're talking about today is the other co-founder of Quadriga CX. He might be moving some coins. This is super mysterious, a little bit concerning. Did Jerry Cotton rise from the dead? Is that going to be the title of this video? Probably. So basically 104 Bitcoin were moved on December 17th, involving addresses having some ties to the co-founder. So what's happening with those coins? They're sending it to coin mixers, trying to anonymize it and probably cash in for the next bear bull run. If they were smart, they'd hold on until we get a little bit of a pump. So that's interesting news. It's refreshing not to have to talk about FTX every single day. Also moving on, we have to talk about some developments happening with Digital Currency Group and their ties to exchange like Gemini, to platforms like Genesis, and to Grayscale. I reported this a few days ago. Grayscale was rejected yet again by the SEC for their most recent ETF proposal. In July, they were rejected also, and that one pissed Grayscale off enough for them to start suing the SEC because they didn't think the SEC had any grounds to continually refuse to approve their ETF proposal. So now that Grayscale has been denied yet again for their ETF, that is the main draw for GBTC, is that not only right now, currently, it gives institutional investors exposure to Bitcoin, but I think the real speculation of GBTC is that if anyone was going to get a spot Bitcoin ETF passed, it would be Grayscale, and they keep getting rejected. And with this most recent rejection, and with the pressure of this $1.1 billion loan that Digital Currency Group has from Genesis, and this is a callable position, they might have to liquidate whatever they can to keep themselves afloat, to not, go completely belly up. They're looking for a tender offer of about 20% of their GBTC. DCG is a huge holder of GBTC. So if they're going to have to liquidate that, that's going to do some damage to Grayscale, possibly. Call this FUD if you want. This is the facts as we know them, and we're just left to speculate until after the fact, whenever things actually lay out and we can tell you actually what's happening. But keeping you guys posted as best we can in the meantime. My name is Heidi, and this is Crypto Tips. We put out videos every single day. If you don't mind, I appreciate it if you hit the like button. We put out videos every day, like I just said, so why not hit subscribe so you can get your daily fix of all things crypto. I haven't said that saying in years. Bringing it back. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.